Alright, people. I'm not a huge football fan. I barely watch football. I'm more of a basketball person. But Colombia is serious about their football. So I wanted to make a quick video. La 70. They're playing Switzerland, Suiza. And this is La 70 during the football match, soccer match. Boas.
Siéntelo todo con Coca-Cola. Si hay pausa, hay frías. Recibe 35% de descuento durante las pausas de hidratación. Comprando por la aplicación TAD.
Oh, vamos. Todo bien.
Se confía mucho en la polifuncionalidad de puerta. Es muy importante la parte de la pieza y que se equilibre la máquina, que no quede tan dependiente.
Gracias. So this is the main area, you know, where the stadium is, and down there and that way. This is San Juan behind me, and yeah, this is the main area where Estadio is.
Movimiento de bola quieta para la gente.
Boas.
La última falta que comete Colombian en el partido.
This is the things that happen in Colombia. People are pretty wild.
Si algún equipo había mostrado consistencia en tener sobresalientes jugadores individualmente hablando.
The good thing is about the games in Colombia is everyone gets together, everyone hangs out with their family. It's like family time. I don't think anyone family is like they don't like soccer, or they don't, you know, football, and they don't like watching it with their family or hanging out with their friends and having a couple of beers and watching the game. So I think it's really cool culturally how it brings everyone together. I'm not a huge fan of soccer, like I said, football. The scores are too low for me. I like to watch games like basketball when you have like dunks and like 50 points, 100 points, 120 points at the end, and it's like going back and forth. I don't like that the soccer games you can watch for like an hour and there's still like no score. Kind of frustrates me. So, anyways, here is El Estadio.
Miguel, que quedó en el piso, aquí está la selección. Ya está todo eso, ya se lo pasa que dentro del pelota y se tiene que sacar el gol y en Medellín podemos hacer eso.
Este es un momento de volver a que hablamos el partido ya con José, me imagino. Lo normal es jugar. Es un momento donde no se puede ignorar que se puede jugar siempre hoy. No se puede ignorar eso.
Colombia, Colombia.
There are many things about this country that drive me crazy, like how you go to a business and you ask them to send you a Google link to the address to get there, they can't do it, and how a lot of things just don't like work. It's frustrating, but there's a magic in Colombia as well. It's the people are just so festive and so high spirited and so, I don't know, they love the country, even given all the stuff and all the political things that go on and difficulties. They're very proud to be Colombian, and that's amazing. They love representing the flag and the colors and being together. It's really they're really an amazing society, like how they all come together and unite. That's, for me, it's a beautiful thing. I don't think there's as much. I mean, obviously America has a lot of individualism, and I don't think they have that as much here. They're more about the society and the individual. Let's see if I can get them to take a photo. Hola.
Ay, no.
So I want to take a photo with them. They seem like I took a photo with them. They seem like a fun family. Don't take themselves too seriously. And yeah, just having a good time here. So that's it. That's my video here. Colombia football. I'm probably just gonna chill. I hope Colombia wins. And yeah, this is it. LaFond Social. Rob LaFond here, signing off. And enjoy your day. Be safe. And make sure to follow, subscribe, and comment, and share. Thank you.